If you're thinking about buying a property in Italy, one of the first questions you probably have is, how much tax will I have to pay? The good news is that Italy's property taxes are often lower than many people expect, especially compared to some parts of the United States. Let's break it down. Hash 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 1. Taxes when you buy a property. The first taxes you'll encounter are purchase taxes. The amount depends on whether you're buying from a private seller or a developer. If you buy from a private seller, you'll generally pay a registration tax plus smaller fixed taxes. If you buy from a developer, VAT may apply instead. The exact amount depends on the type of property and whether it qualifies as your primary residence. This is why it's important to work with a local real estate professional and tax advisor before closing. Hash 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 2. Annual property taxes IMU. The main annual property tax in Italy is called IMU. If the property is your primary residence and is not considered a luxury property, you may be exempt from IMU. However, second homes, vacation homes, and investment properties are generally subject to IMU. The amount varies depending on the municipality and the cadastral value of the property. In many cases, foreign buyers are pleasantly surprised by how reasonable these taxes can be. Hash 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 3. Waste collection tax. Tari property owners are also responsible for Tari, which covers waste collection services. The amount depends on the size of the property and the number of occupants. Even if the property is used only part of the year, some level of Tari is usually required. Hash 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 4. Rental income taxes. If you rent your property, you'll need to pay taxes on rental income. Italy offers different taxation methods depending on your situation. Many property owners choose a simplified regime called Cedolare Secca, which can provide a predictable flat tax rate on residential rentals. For foreign investors, tax treaties may help avoid double taxation depending on their country of residence. Hash 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 5. Capital gains tax. What happens when you sell? In some situations, capital gains tax may apply if you sell a property within a certain number of years after purchasing it. However, there are exemptions, particularly for properties used as a primary residence. Planning ahead can significantly reduce your tax burden when it's time to sell. Hash 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 6. Are property taxes in Italy high? This is one of the biggest misconceptions. Many international buyers assume that Italy has very high property taxes. In reality, annual holding costs are often lower than those found in major US cities, especially when comparing similar property values. Of course, every situation is different, and taxes vary by municipality and property type. Buying property in Italy can be an excellent investment, whether you're looking for a vacation home, a retirement property, or a rental investment. Understanding purchase taxes, IMU, TARI, rental income taxes, and capital gains rules will help you make informed decisions and avoid unexpected costs. Before purchasing, always consult with a qualified Italian accountant and real estate professional to understand the specific tax implications of your investment. If you'd like more information about buying property in Italy as a foreigner, subscribe to the channel and follow for more practical tips and real estate insights from Italy.